how to create custom story on Snapchat. First, you need to open up your Snapchat selection, then go on the third site, which is right here. After opening that selection, what is the most important thing right here? You need to take a photo or choose it from your gallery on your left wing. I'm gonna go and choose it from there. Just go for camera roll, and I'm gonna choose this photo. Just go right here on that editing process, and right after you get into that fiction, for example, you can add something, and right then simply go send to, and from now on, as you can see, you have all these selections. Now, as you can see right here, you have the chance to simply create the custom story selection. And yeah, right here guys, as you can see on your site selection, if you scroll on your right side, you can see that you have many different options, or you can go new story with that plus icon and go with new private story. If you go new private story, from here you can choose the people and the site selections, which you can simply take off and wanna see your post which have got it on your story. For example, I'm gonna choose all these sites and then go create story, and you can call it, for example, custom. Go save, and that's it guys. Now you go just for custom and you take it to the right point.